This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to another Willow Glen 2-minute drill where we cover all things real estate related in 2 minutes or less for Willow Glen for the month of July. Did I say that already? I'm not sure. But anyways, this is for the month of July, 2020. And before we get into the data or the numbers, if you're a home buyer in Willow Glen or any area in Silicon Valley, you can go ahead and text the word data plus the neighborhood and or zip codes that you're looking in to the number down below. And we will get you a comprehensive data set to help you make an offer that wins in today's environment. Because right now, writing to win is crucial. Because if you don't write to win, you're going to end up paying more than your neighbor just paid for their house. Now, if you are a home seller in Willow Glen or in any other neighborhood, go ahead and text the word data plus your property address to the number down below. And we will get you a comprehensive data set, much more robust than what you'll see here for your particular area, and making sure that you are pricing your property appropriately to go with what is working best in today's environment. Because there's what's good, there's great, and then what's working best. And we want to make sure that when you price to get the highest possible price. There's a lot of strategy involved. It's part art, part science, and it's a lot of fun. So anyways, let's get into the numbers, everyone. We have our handy dandy timer right here. We're super high tech. Get started in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so when we look at the trend graphics for the month of June here in Willow Glen, we had 66 properties pending and 71 homes for sale. So pendings very close. We have pendings almost a 100% absorption rate there when you look at that, and that bodes really well for home sellers in Willow Glen. Now, if you look at the absorption rate chart here, you'll see 85.9% based on closed sales in the month of June. That is way higher than what we saw in May, right? So we started to panic a little bit. If you're a home seller in Willow Glen, do not panic. We are doing really, really well for single-family homes. Now, in the condo and townhome sector, we had a little bit of a decline, a pretty large decline in pending sales from 12 to 5 from May to June. Inventory is up to 12%, or to 12 units, and the problem is here, guys, is that there's very little data here to really pick from. So it's hard to really get a firm grasp, and this is the sort of thing where you really have to dig into the particular property to see what the story is on that particular property. Because when you look at this kind of data, there's not enough. The sample size is too small to really get a good statistical, a solid statistic, if that makes sense. Yeah. So for anyone that took statistics in college, 75% absorption rate, meaning that we are still in a very, very, very strong seller's market, regardless of whether you're a single-family owner or a condo or townhome owner. And if you're a condo or townhome buyer and or a single-family buyer in Willow Glen, here's what you need to realize is that in today's market, due to the environment, you are going to have to write to win. There we go. Because if you don't write to win, all of these pending sales right now, they reflect into July, right? And so the second that those homes close in July, everything appreciates, right? Because you now need to write higher than that one closed for. So write once, write to win, move on with your life, and live the Silicon Valley dream. This is Danny Gould, everyone, with the Selling Silicon Valley Group, and I will catch all of you in the next video.